Lucas Oil, doing the like the Pro 4s and et cetera, and then moved into this. And I was surprised to find out, you're right, this is absolutely one of the most popular forms of racing in the country.
Yeah, there's actually more people that buy tickets to dirt track racing in the country than buy tickets to the NFL, MLB, and NBA combined. So
Wow,
pretty cool
that's
when you
amazing.
think about that. It's just popular. I mean, there's 800 dirt tracks. There's a lot of them.
No shortage of places to race.
Yeah.
No,
And
and yeah, we came from the off-road stuff, and it kind of hit home what Cody was talking about, kind of the value back to sponsors. That was a deal that I was starting to lose an appetite for how expensive it was to run in that series. And it was really popular when we got in, and it got a little bit smaller. It's an awesome sport. I mean, short course off-road racing is badass, you know? But I'm like, man, for the ask of sponsors and things like that, the analytics and stuff don't match up anymore. The value's not there. Like, let's go find something that we can get a return with, and that's less stressful financially on myself. And then heck, let's race a lot. You know, the off-road stuff, we'd try to stretch ourselves so thin to race 6 weekends a year, you know, race 2 times a weekend. So 12 races, but man, that's a lot of weekends you leave open for racing. Now I race 70 times, and dude, I have so many races on the schedule that I could race around here in the Midwest. We could almost, when it comes May through Labor Day, could almost race 7 times a week. It's crazy.
Jeez, wow, that's amazing. Well, and obviously, what's great, I mean, selfishly for us, is you're out there rocking our brand in front of a great demo, just like we were talking about with the people that Cody's in front of, and how good you guys are with that interaction before and after the race, is what is so great for, obviously all of us, but with that, how much we appreciate, and this is why, we love to talk. We don't talk enough about you guys and everybody that's on our roster, and the love that you give us.
Yeah, I love it. These races, I mean, this demographic is engaged. I mean, they're so in love with the drivers that they love, and I mean, I've always said a bunch of these fans sitting in the stands on a Saturday night at dirt track love racing more than I do. You know what I mean? Like, and they're just passionate about things, and I mean, those are the people that you want supporting brands and whatnot. And it's one of those things that you can put together the marketing analytics and things like that. And it's something that I've taken classes for and taught myself a lot in to be prepared for conversations like this, but it's got to pass the eye test too. I mean, Cody's probably got events just like mine where you can walk in and go, holy smokes, this is the people we want to hit. You know what I mean? And
exactly.
All these dirt track races have that. It's pretty cool. And it's been getting a lot of notoriety lately. You see NASCAR, they're spending, I'm watching the Bristol Dirt Nationals right now. They just, spend millions of dollars to cover one of their best facilities in dirt.
Wow. Isn't that crazy?
To try to connect with this dirt track fan. I mean, it's what used to be about TV numbers and sticker size and things like that, although they still matter. I mean, social media is so accessible anymore that, I mean, every dirt track racer could do what I'm doing. I'm not God's greatest gift to a race car driver by any means. It's, just separate the business side of from the racing, and you can make it work. It definitely takes a lot of effort on the back end. Would I love to just slap a sticker on and go racing? Sure. But there's a lot more to it.